everyone. So this is the part 4 of the post exploitation. In this video, I will let you know how you can execute the command if you have hacked the system. So guys, in my part 3 post exploitation, I let you know how you can hack the system or how you can hack the uh, server, right? So first let me know uh, I'm using two machine here. You can see there is a Kali Linux and there is a Metasploit machine. So why I'm using Metasploit machine, uh, in every lecture I always use two machine. This is the Metasploit IP. Through that I am able to get these all 5 website for the testing. So guys, in my part 3 I have already hacked this server. Uh, this server I have already hacked because I have already upload a backdoor into the DBWA website on this DBWA website, right? Now I will connect with that backdoor, then we'll try to execute some of command. So you will get an better idea how we can execute the command if we have hacked the server. So there is a command for the uh, this is the backdoor. You can say this is the our software or tool, and this is the site and the path where we upload the backdoor in part 3 you can see, and this is the password 123456 for our backdoor. If you enter here, so you can see you are able to connect that with the backdoor. That means we are able to hack the this server we are able to hack through that, because from here we are connecting with our backdoor. So there are some basic command which you can first need to know. So for example, there are pwd. So it will let you know the current working directory. You can see this is the current working directory. If you see in this directory, so you can type the ls command to get the list. So if you type ls, then you will get all the folder or all your file whatever in this directory. You can get that from this command. But you can also use the ls hyphen l will let you know the rights and the other information, right? You can see here there are multiple information through the hyphen l. So you will get on all these things whatever I have write. You can see this is the dr matlab I R for read write, W for the write writes. So this is all things which you can get know. But the main thing is how we can do other some command execute on the target system. So just type help. If you type help, so you will get there are multiple files which we can execute, or there are multiple command which we can execute on the target system. Guys, we know we have already hacked the system. So on that hacked system, in this system we are trying to execute command from here, right? So you can visit my part 3. I have already let you know how we can hack the system, right? So there is a some command. If you this command uh, system proc, it will return the running process on your current system, like on Metasploit. So if you enter, I'm also copy this command. If you enter here, so you will get all list of running process which are on running on that server, right? Which server? uh, if you see, this is your server, this one, right? On this server whatever running, it will return you, right? Same as if I paste the command which I have copy here and enter, so you will get all information about your system info. If you see, we are in root or document root folder. If you type, there is also command who am I, so you will get the www data. We have privilege with the www underscore data, and this is the current working directory where we are. This is about your linux system, like your operating system information you will get. So there are you will also get the php version information. So you will get everything whatever you want about your system information from here. So guys, help command very if you I let you know, help command very powerful, which will return the multiple things which you can execute on this. So these are the simple command which I have showcased you, but there are some major uh, some major command, that is file upload and that is file download. Both command are very powerful because guys, you can anything download from the server into your local, and you can upload anything, like maybe that can be a backdoor, that can be a virus, that can be anything file, whatever you want, that file you can upload onto the server. So how you do that, I will let you know in my next lecture. In this lecture you can practice all these command, you will get an idea how the command is work after the hacking hack the system. If you not see my part 3 how I hack the system, so you can also look at that part. So in this video that's all, and we'll see in next video guys. I will provide my like complete hacking tutorial link into the description, so you will get an idea, or description link, or sorry, tutorial link. And I will also provide my post exploitation part 1 2 3 link into the description, so you will get directly from that, right? So this is in all this video. Please subscribe my channel to get the upcoming video, so you will update how the in hacking world what's things going on, so you will get an idea. So that's all in this video. Thank you.